a brand new innovation in the water purification industry. High-performance Smax filter HP 6.2, safety, saving, efficiency. There are 6 filters combined into a block filter, 44% space saving, 83% reduction in fittings compared to a traditional 6-filter system. Thanks to a special design, the high-performance Smax filters brings many benefits to users. Reduce leakage and reinfection, 50% higher water flow rate, regenerate pure water with the highest amount of minerals, easy to replace at home, saving time and effort. For the first time, there is a combination of 3 functional filters: ORB alkaline, tourmaline, and hydrogen plus, providing drinking water good for health and anti-aging effects. The hydrogen plus filter adds double alkaline hydrogen ion, neutralize excess acid for the digestive system, and as many essential minerals for the body. High-performance Smax filter set HP 6.2 make your drinking water healthier, cleaner, and more economical, creating peace of mind for millions of families. Karofi, make your drink healthy.